Fitbit Versa 2 Health and Fitness Smartwatch with Heart Rate. Fitbit Versa 2 Health and Fitness Smartwatch with Heart Rate, Music, Alexa built-in, Sleep and Swim Tracking, Black Carbon, one size S and L bands included. Meet Fitbit Versa 2, a smartwatch that elevates every moment. Use your voice to create alarms, set bedtime reminders or check the weather with Amazon Alexa built-in. Take your look from the gym to the office with its modern and versatile design. See your stats with an always-on display mode. Plus get Fitbit Pay, daily sleep quality scores, apps, notifications, 24/7 heart rate and store 300+ songs for an experience that revolves around you. Sleep tracking is nice but sometimes stressful. View full gallery. You'll see a breakdown of your sleep score in the Fitbit app. Screenshot by Lexi Savides, CNET. This is a very comfortable watch to wear to bed. We found it worked best after turning on sleep mode manually from the quick settings menu to silence notifications. You'll need to swipe down from the top of the watch, then tap the settings toggles and hit the crescent moon icon, that breaks down the quality of your sleep based on time spent in different sleep stages. We'll also give you extra data on your sleeping heart rate and restoration. But for non-subscribers, the app doesn't offer that many useful recommendations on how to improve that sleep score or reduce restlessness. It's helped identify and address our sleep achievements and deficits, at least a bit. Feels even more notable considering Apple's complete avoidance of baked-in sleep infos become one of the things, and its deeper breakdown of stats feels like a glimpse of where the future of sleep tech could lie. We're also looking forward to the Smart Wake feature, which Fitbit says is coming soon. It will look at your sleep patterns and wake you at an optimal time with vibrations on your wrist. Battery life is among the best compared to something like the Apple Watch. One of Fitbit's big advantages is battery life. Without the always-on display active, we managed to get 5.5 full days before needing to charge. With the always-on display turned on, that reduced to just over 2 full days. We're now resigned to the fact that every Fitbit has its own unique charger, and the Versa 2 is no different. Unfortunately, it's not backward compatible with the original Versa charger if you're upgrading. More annoying is the cable that feeds into the charger doesn't sit flush with the base of the unit, so your watch can never sit flat on a surface when it's charging. But the fact that this watch can last most of a week on a single charge is great, and that's exactly how smartwatches, or any watches, should be. Say hi to Alexa. Arguably the most significant addition to the Versa 2 is Alexa, although it's not as fully fledged as you might expect. You can ask it basic questions, control smart home gadgets and set timers. There's no speaker built in. Connections to your phone are also limited, so you won't be able to send messages with your voice via Alexa, for example. You can, however, respond to text messages on Android with your voice. Fitness tracking is fine, but there's little to entice upgraders. We used the Versa 2 for several workouts, runs, bike rides, Pilates and a spin class. It's always been comfortable to wear regardless of the activity. Which had 3 physical buttons. It's now easier to start and stop workouts with the single button and touch screen combination on the Versa 2. But apart from that small tweak to the physical design of the watch, there's not much else that's changed when it comes to workout tracking between the original Versa and Versa 2. The Coach app is still available to give you workouts on your wrist. For your own workouts, the 15 goal-based exercises let you set a desired target, like calories or distance, and you get an alert on the watch once you hit them. But there aren't pace alerts like the Apple Watch offers. You can also customize the workout screen to have the metrics you want to see displayed front and center. The heart rate reading shows you what heart rate zone you're in, such as cardio or fat burn. Heart rate tracking during all our workouts has been fairly consistent with readings from other fitness trackers we have used previously. Although we haven't yet tested the Versa, we would have liked an even brighter setting for the always-on display during workouts, which would help a lot with visibility in direct sunlight. It's also a shame that there's no built-in GPS, so you have to take your phone with you to track distance and route information. For that, you'll need to look to the Fitbit Ionic. If you're a runner or like doing outdoor workouts without being tied to your phone, connected GPS may be a deal breaker. But Fitbit's big strength over any other watch or fitness tracker has always been the Fitbit app. It gives you a clear, easy-to-understand breakdown of your exercise metrics, and it's a lot more simple to interpret than competitors like Samsung's Health app or even the Apple Watch through the Activity, Health apps.